spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind.
Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this 15 speech bubble pack for Adobe After Effects. First of all, I would like to thank my 1000 subscribers. Hope everyone as happy as I am. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. First of all, install this font and open this project file. So you can see there are 15 project files. Each of these is different animation. You don't have to do anything, just double click to open any comp. And you can open a new comp and drag it into it, then edit it. It's your choice. Just double click and open main file. Now you edit this text. Now see, it's done. This is no big deal, you can understand it only if you do it step by step. Now the next one, you can see that it is completely different, but you can change everything in the same way. Well, listen, this 15 speech bubbles you can use After Effects CC or CS6 anything, no plugin required. You see it's a completely different animation, so you will check the next ones. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.
While I was